How to notify members on Trello when task is completed. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can notify members on Trello when task is completed. So let's dive in. First, open your browser. You can use any browser. I'm using Chrome. And then you have to search for Trello on your browser and then press enter. And now open this first official site by Trello. And then you have to log in into your Trello account and it's going to bring you to your workspace. And now you have to simply open a board on your Trello. And then to notify members on Trello when task is completed, you simply have to click these three dots on any of the card. And then you have to click watch. Just choose any list that you want and then you have to click these three dots and click watch. And once you do so, now if any activity happens, it's going to notify the members on Trello when the task is being done or completed, or if any activity is being done on Trello, it's simply going to notify you. And now if you want to notify members on Trello when a task is completed for a specific card, just click that card and then you simply have this option notifications over here, watch. You simply have to turn this on. Like now you're watching the card. Now Trello is going to notify the members when the task is completed because you have turned on the watch option under the notifications section. And that's how you notify members on Trello when task is completed.